So today's episode is individual ingredient instant face mask or uplift or whatever you want to do with your skin. 5 ingredients are the best of all: honey, turmeric, egg, banana, and lemon. Now, for some of you who don't like the idea of putting egg, I got that feedback. People said, ew, ew. I have an alternative, which is rice water. So I'm hoping if you don't eat egg, you do eat rice. And so all you need is I keep this little thingy with my ice cube in it, and I mix my ingredients in the ice cube, so that they are cool when I put it on my face. Honey is really, really hydrating. It's got lots of vitamins in it. It's wonderful for the face. So if you're really not doing anything else, just use a bit of honey. Pour it in your little bowl. Put it all the way under your eyes, on your cheeks. So there you go. Leave it on for about 2 minutes to 10 minutes, and then you can wipe it off, wash it with warm water. The second one is lemon. Now, what you can do with the lemon is just cut a lemon and go on your face. Make sure that it suits your skin. Or you can just take a little bit on your hands, put some ice cube, and off you go. Great cleansing ingredient. Also great for your dark spots. Then for the wonderful egg on my face. Again, an individual ingredient. I freeze a full egg in my freezer, and when I'm really on the rush, I will just clean my face and put this all over my yolk of the egg. Is extremely good for the face. Turmeric, very, very well known among all of you. Just put it in a little bowl of rose water if you have, but as I said, this is single ingredient instant, so this is just with an ice cube. A little bit of yellow, but it gets washed off. And then the last ingredient is banana. Overripe bananas, always in the freezer or the fridge. This is an overripe banana. Look at it, move. Now don't throw it. Put it in a little bowl of ice and put it on your face. Now, said for people who don't like the egg on their face, I do have an alternative: rice water. So what I do is I boil my rice, and you just take the water out and keep it in the fridge if you want to. But you can just dilute this in a bit of ice again, or just plain water, and put it on your face. Ancient Japanese technique. I will be covering rice and rice water a lot more under the R. Here's a little secret. But for now, this is a great single ingredient, instant face brightener and cleanser. Bye. Have fun. Enjoy. Hope this all gets better soon and we get back to doing instant face masks. Nutzaboutme. Stay tuned, subscribe, comment, give me some suggestions. Bye from Nutzaboutme.